Hi everyone, this is Runner Rocky and welcome to my YouTube channel. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Yes, it's the season of the year again that we collect stickers for the much anticipated Starbucks planner. And just like most SB collector out there, it gave me a goosebump and excitement after Starbucks PH released a teaser of their upcoming Starbucks Planner 2021. Here's the said teaser showcasing what to expect on the 2021 design. Let's check this out. What can you say about the Starbucks 2021 planner after seeing the teaser? Do you think it will still come in two forms this year, the planner and the smaller travel organizer just like the previous years? And what design will you pick after seeing the glimpse of the planner? Feel free to post your comments and excitement in the comment box below. Thank you for watching Karockers. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button here in my YouTube channel Runner Rocky for more updates, vlogs, reviews, reactions, celebrity interviews, high VL news, and livestream videos. See you all.